Good morning everyone. First of all, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I am Srishti Tyagi from Hapur. I did my graduation from SSV PG College, Hapur in Bachelor's of Science and my B.Ed from RGPG Government College, Meerut. And today we will study about expiratory system, which is the topic of class 10th Biological Science. Before starting our today's topic, we have to know some important things and basic things related to our topic. As we all know, we get energy from food and water we eat and drink, but only some amount of water and food get absorbed by our body. So now the question arises, how the waste products of food and water get removed from our body? So here is the answer, through excretory system. Now in simple words, we can say through excretory system we can remove the nitrogenous waste or the waste products from our body. So what is excretory system? To remove the waste products from our body. And the whole process is called excretion. Now, as we all know, there are many organ systems in our body and every organ system has its specific need. So, what is the need of excretory system in our body? Now, we will discuss about the needs. What is the need of excretory system in our body? We will discuss one need of the excretory system is that to remove the waste products from our body. It is the important need. Another one, sometimes we drink a lot of water which is not required for our body. So as we all know that excessive amount of anything in our body is really harmful to us. It causes diseases in our body. So to regulate, so another need is that to regulate the excessive amount of water in our body. So there are two basic needs which is required excretory system in our body. First, to remove the waste products from our body, and second, to regulate the excessive amount of water in our body. Now we will use a term, waste products. So what are the waste products found in our body or presented in our body? So basically there are three waste products found in our or present in our body. So what are these? So there are three waste products present in our body. First is uric acid, second is urea, and third one is ammonia, in which the uric acid is least toxic and ammonia is most toxic, which will be really needed to remove from our body, otherwise it will cause a lot of diseases. Now, what are the organs involved in our excretory system? Now, what are the organs involved in our excretory system? What is system? System basically a group of organs in our body. Now, for better understanding of the organs involved in excretory system, I prepared a model for that. As you see in this model, this is the model of excretory system. Now, we will see what are the organs. There is a pair of kidney. As you see clearly, there are a pair of kidney. From each kidney, a pipe-like structure is originated, as you see in the yellow color, pipe-like structure which is called ureter. Ureter opens into a bag-like structure muscular bag-like structure which is called urinary bladder. And after urinary bladder, at the end of the urinary bladder, there is a small opening which is called urethra. Not only that, as we all know, every organ in our body has its specific function. But before discuss the specific function, we have to discuss about these two pipes. As you see, this red one pipe, this is called artery, renal artery, and this blue pipe-like structure is called vena cava or ventricle. Now, and each organ has its specific function. Now, what we will study through the model, there are main 4 organs in our excretory system. First, a pair of kidney. A pair of kidney. Second, a pipe-like structure originated from kidney, which is called ureter. Ureter opens into a bag-like muscular structure which is called urinary bladder. And urinary bladder, at the end of the urinary bladder there is a small opening which is called urethra. So basically in our excretory system there are 4 main organs, a pair of kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. And what is the function of these organs in our excretory system? To understand that, I prepared a chart as you see clearly. It is the one kidney. I draw on the blackboard. The kidney which is connected to the renal artery in red one, and the blue one is renal vein. As you see there, this is the one kidney, and there, as you see, this red pipe renal artery opens into the arteries, opens into the capillaries opens into the veins, and veins open into the vena cava. The renal artery carries oxygenated blood or impure blood, we can say, but renal vein carries deoxygenated blood, or we can say it is the pure blood. Now, what is the function of the kidney? The main function of the kidney is to filter. Filtration is the main function of the kidney. But how? Through its functional structure which is called nephron, as you see in this chart. After that,